नगरग्रामतारिणे नम ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. I welcome all devotees for participating in this 18 days journey of wonderful transcendental journey. So I pray Lord Chaitanya to shower his mercy to teach all of us Sharanagati. My video is not working properly. Hare Krishna. Yeah, fine. Okay. So yesterday's topic, Supreme. Right? So Krishna told very simple way. What was that? Remember me at the time of death. That's all he said. So how to remember? All of a sudden, one day, suddenly you want to remember somebody. Is it possible? Whole life, if we remember, at the time of death also we will remember. So life is the preparation. Death is the examination. One exam we have to prepare in our life, and we have to pass that exam. Then we don't have to give exam at all in our life. We will never come back to give any examination. So we have to pass this exam. What is that? Antakale chamame smaran mukta kalevaram yak prayatischa madbhavam nat yat atra asamshayaga. Yesterday he said, you remember? Fifth verse, Krishna told, when you remember me at the time of death, you will come to my abode. Okay, so we have to remember. For that, now Krishna is giving many secret. See, more secret knowledge, most secret knowledge, right? In the second chapter, he gave the secret knowledge. What is that? Everything depends on the bodily concept. That is, I am not this body, I am the soul. If you are in the concept of I am the soul, sukha dukkhe same kritva labha labha jaya jaya. I think in the second chapter only we learned. You remember? That means once we are not in the bodily concept, what will happen? We will not have sukha dukkha. We will not labha labha. 38, second chapter, 38th verse. We won't have any pleasure or pain in success or failure. When success comes, we are in pleasure. When failure comes, we are in pain. Similarly, labha labha jaya jaya. When victory comes, we are happy. When failure comes, we are not. Sukha dukkha, same way. So Krishna said, don't be in the bodily concept. If you are in the bodily concept only, you will experience duality. This is the duality. Okay. But if you are in soul concept, nothing will affect you. Everything is Krishna Prasadam. So first secret knowledge. What is first secret knowledge? I am not this body. I am the soul. What is the second secret knowledge? Second secret knowledge, he gave it in the 7th chapter. I am everything. I am everywhere. I am everywhere. In 9th chapter also he is telling the same thing. Maya Dakshina Prakriti. In 9th chapter he say, under my control everything runs. Everything emanates under my control. I am the creator. I am the maintainer. Again and again and again he tells. But what to do, these fallen souls? Manda sumanda matayo, manda bhagyo hupatritaha. We all are mandam, no, because we are in Kali Yuga. So we don't understand. But in this chapter, the last verse is the most confidential. Whole chapter is most confidential, but the last one is easiest. Very easy to follow this most confidential knowledge. If you follow, we don't have to come back at all. Naitima meti so Arjuna. He said, Abrahma bhuvana loka. Punar avarti no Arjuna. Punaga avarti. Punaga coming back and going. No Arjuna. Abrahma bhuvana loka. Punar avarti no Arjuna. Mamu peti etu kaunteya. Punar janma na vidyate. He told, if you come to my abode, no punarjanma. So that means we will be we will be transcendent, or we will be elevated. We will be reaching God's abode. From where we don't janma, mrityu, jara, vyadi, dukkha, doshanu, darshanam. We don't have to see. What is dukkha, doshanu, darshanam? This material world. Dukkha, doshanu, darshanam. Material world gives only the darshan of dukkha. But still, Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi, we keep on coming. So today's knowledge is the most confidential knowledge. But Krishna is so merciful. Every alternate chapter he tells, Arjuna, I am telling you this most confidential, this knowledge, knowing which nothing else to be known. You remember 7th chapter also he told. What was that? Jnanam tegam sa vijnanam idam vakshyama sheshataha. Idam vakshyama sheshataha. There is nothing remaining. What is the Shesham? Balance. Once you know this knowledge, there's nothing left to know anything. Everything I'm telling you, like that he told in the 7th chapter. What did he say? Bhumirapo analvayu, everything is me. Kam manam buddhi yevacha. He said, Apareyam itaswanyam prakritim viddhi me param. Everything is my energy. Prakriti nature, material nature is inferior energy. Living entities, Jiva Bhuta, they are the marginal energy. And all my expansions are my internal energy. So everything, whether I manifest or not, I am everywhere in the form of my energy. So more secret knowledge. Today he is going to tell the most secret knowledge. So wait, be, say, stay tuned. Yes, Mataji. Yes, go ahead, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
9.1 The Supreme Lord said, My dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most secret wisdom, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence.
So, to know Krishna, we need some qualification. To study any particular graduation or post-graduation, whatever it is, there's a eligibility test. So, here also there's a eligibility test. He will not give it to anybody and everybody, only for the pure devotees. Oh, Mataji, what is the secret? He's telling openly. Yeah, he's telling openly. Because you all are pure devotees. Why you all are pure devotees? You are attending regularly. You are listening. That is sufficient for him. We have to only listen. You remember the 7th chapter verse? All the distress, artho, jignasu, artharthi, jnani. They all are not devotees. But they remember the Lord when they are distressed. They remember the Lord when they need economic development, money. When they want to know that. They remember the Lord when they want to accumulate knowledge. When they want to remember the Lord when they are very inquisitive to know about things. Still, it's okay. They are not my devotees. But I will make them devotees slowly, gradually. Why? They have some confidence in me and they have come to me. Like that, we saw the pictures. You remember? Gajendra, Draupadi, Devahuti, so many devotees we saw, isn't it? So for everybody, it says, I will take care of you once you come to me. Same way. Here he is telling to Arjuna. Why? Arjuna's best quality is non-enviousness. Second quality is he is the disciple. Which will Shishyaste Aham Shadi Mam Tvam Prapannam 2.7. I'm your disciple, Krishna. Please tell me now what to do. He surrendered. That means he accepted Krishna as a supreme, his spiritual master. One more very important quality is his friend. Everybody cannot become Lord's friend, right? In this chapter only we will see. People may say, Lord is very partial. For somebody he is friend, for somebody he is not. Very wrong. He will tell, I think which verse, I don't know. Samogam Sarva Bhuteshu, 29th verse. He will tell, Samogam Sarva Bhuteshu. I am equal to everybody. I am not partial to anybody. But we have to believe that Shraddha. Whole life revolves around Shraddha, especially Bhakti. Bhakti is only dependent on Shraddha, faith. Yes. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. 9.2 Raja Vidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratyakshva Vagamam Dharmyam Susukam Kartum Avyayam. This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed.
Okay, so what is this? In the beginning itself, he gave the Palastruti. What is the Palastuti? Once you know this most secret knowledge, this secret knowledge is king of all knowledge. Above that, there's nothing to know. Secret of all secret, purest, everything he told. So these are the characteristics of the pure secret knowledge. So keep waiting. What is the secret knowledge? You will see. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Yes. 9.3. Those who are not faithful on the path of devotional service cannot attain me, O conqueror of foes, but return to birth and death in this material world.
I will tell many stories today, provided because we started. Generally, half an hour we used to revise. Today, we should have enough time. So, two, three stories are waiting. See, those who are not faithful on the path of devotional service cannot attain me. Why? Because faith is very, very important. So, if we do not have faith, what will happen? We may go to the upper planetary system. Once we go to the upper planetary system, what will happen? We have to come back. Once our accumulated, what is it? Accumulated punya karma pala is over, we will again come back. Do you know anybody who has come back like that and then they went? I told two, three more stories yesterday, day before, and all. Who came back from the higher
Ajam,
planet? Yes.
Ajamila Mataji.
Okay. Ajamila, yes, he took birth in the second birth. He took in Haridwar. Okay. I'm asking who went to higher planet and then came back.
Bharat, Bharat
Bharat Maharaj,
King.
okay, very good, very nice. Bharat Maharaj, first birth, okay, and he remembered the deer, so he became baby deer, and then again in the next birth, he became Jadabharata, and then he went to Lord's abode. Then, oh, so many sages are there who all fell down. Again, they had to come back. Sages, they all are Gyanis. Gyanis only will not go there. Devotees will go there, no, they won't come back. So many Gyanis are there. Vishwamitra and Shaubari Muni. How many Gyanis are there? All these people are Gyanis. Gyanis don't reach Lord's abode. Gyanis will go to upper planetary system. Then they will come back. Again, they will be taking birth either in yesterday we saw, sorry, not yesterday, 6th chapter, 6.41. They will take birth either in the aristocratic family or Shuchinam Shrimatam Gehe, very rich family. Atva Yoginam eva, next verse, 4-2. If not, they will take birth in a devotee family, so that from there they will directly go. So all the Gyanis, Dhruva they all, they came back. And they had to come back before they reach Lord's abode because they were all Gyanis. So remember, devotees will never come back because they will go to Goloka. Gyanis will come back because they will not go beyond the maximum is upper planetary system. That's all. Beyond that, they don't go. Okay. Not even Vaikunta. Vaikunta, if you go, we don't have to come back. We can stay in Vaikunta, but only problem is we will not have the pleasure of serving the Lord. Pleasure of serving the Lord is available only in Goloka. So aim for the highest, no. Why to aim for Brahman realization? 3 realization. Okay, I'll tell that today. For so many days I have been thinking of. God can be realized in 3 ways. Today it is coming. Ekatvena Pratakvena Bahuda Vishwatomukam. Which verse it is? Bahuda Vishwatomukam. Verse number I forgot. But today's thing it is there. Some people, they believe in the Vishwarupa. That is universal form. About some people, okay. First we have to Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, then Anandamaya Kosha. Right? Anandamaya Kosha is what? Soul realization. So one who reaches such Chit Anand, who is still the such level. Satchitanand. Such level is realization that I am not this body, I am the soul, secret knowledge, just now I said. So these people aim in merging with the Brahman, that is in the life effulgence. They want to mix with because for them, they think I am also the Supreme Lord. What they think is, 15th chapter, Krishna tells, Mamaiva Amsho Jiva Loke. All Jivas are Mamai Amsha, my part and parcel. So people think since I'm part and parcel of the Lord, I'm also the Supreme Lord. Say, don't go beyond this. At least they have this knowledge that I'm not this body, I am the soul, and I will have to merge in the Brahman. Brahman means what? See, Goloka, first Goloka, then Vaikuntha Loka. I shared that. In the group, I shared that, right? So Goloka, then Vaikuntha. Then with Vaikuntha, you know what happened? It is covered. That means that ignorance, it is covered with the ignorance. That is why in the other worlds, we need sun, moon and all for the light. For in those higher planetary systems, we don't need. Natad bhasayate suryo na shashanko na pavakaha. Krishna tells, in my Dhamma, there is no need for Shashi, there is no need for Surya. Nothing, sun, moon are not required. Krishna only is telling. Since we all are in ignorance, what is ignorance? Ignorance means darkness. What ignorance? We have forgotten the Lord. We are thinking we want to lord over the nature. We have forgotten the Supreme Lord, that He is the owner, He is the enjoyer, He is the Parameshwara of everything. We have forgotten. So we have lost the link, our relation with the Lord. Okay, because of that it is dark. Okay, that you leave. So here, a person who merges with the Brahman, they will stay there only. They will not have any activity. So spiritually, Goswamis say that merging with the Brahman is equal to committing spiritual suicide. We may not come back, but there also many acharyas say that even after merging, I'm telling what I have heard from many devotees, Srila Prabhupada's devotees and many acharyas, okay, because there are different versions. That is why I'm telling this. So some acharyas say that even after merging with the Brahman, what happens if at all the unsatiated desire is there, no, that will not let them live happily over there. What happy though, it's not there. That will not let them exist there. So for that matter, they come down in order to satisfy the desires. So once they come again, they get a chance to, because this vehicle, this bodily vehicle is the only boat through which we can go to Lord's abode. Then they can go. But what about in the other planetary system, higher planetary system, all the other six planets, we are in the seventh, right? The higher planetary systems, we take birth in the higher planetary system because we have done lot of auspicious activity, pious activity. We have accumulated lot of punya. That is why we might have taken place in the higher planetary system. But there, we don't have to do any activity. There is nothing, no activity takes place. There is, you know, that Janma, Mrityu, Jara, that and all not there. Then what will happen? They take this account balance of punya, sitting there, whatever they perform because of their free will, they will exhaust all the punya karma. Once the account becomes zero, they will come down to this earth. Okay, that's what Tetam Gatva Swargalokam Vishalam. Chine Punye Chine Kam ho gaya. Chine Punye Swargalokam. So from the Swargalokam, Vishanti, they will fall down. Chine Punyer Martirlokam Vishanti. From Swargaloka, they will fall down to Martirloka. Okay, that is why should we only be limiting ourselves to Brahman realization? Above Brahman realization is Paramatma. There is one Supreme Personality of Godhead sitting in my heart also. That realization is Paramatma realization. Once if we are in Paramatma realization, obviously the Lord will take us. Bhagavan will take us. So what is Bhagavan? Ananda, Sat, Chit. Anand, Sat, Brahman realization, Chit, Paramatma realization, and Ananda, Bhagavan realization. Srila Prabhupada gives us so many examples. Like if you want to understand about olden days, you think, not now, train, or you want to understand, the big, mountain, anything you can take. Far away from where when we see, only small light you can see in the train. So some people are happy with the light effulgence, right? Okay, train means light. They go away. They don't proceed further. Then other people stand there for some more time. They see the train coming, etc. Say they know there are boxes are there, everything, and they go. That is Paramatma realization. Other people want to have the real experience. They get into the train, they see how the seats are arranged, what are all the facilities there. They see everything and get out. So that is equal to the Bhagavan realization. Similarly, that what do you call mountain? You see from the far away place, if you see one small tip of one tree like that, we may be seeing. But more further, we proceed towards the base of that mountain. We see so many plants, we see so many cattle grazing over there. Then we come to know the real realization of what a mountain is. So Brahman realization is just merging with the light effulgence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That means for them, they know I am not everything. There is one superpower which controls me. So if those who keep on thinking, they will go there. I think in today's verse only it will come. 9.25 verse. When that comes, I will once again tell. Okay, so those faith, it is all faith. With whom we have faith. And then next level is having faith with the Paramatma. Third level is that Bhagavan realization. One more thing I told also, it's a no doubt. These all are very important things. What did I say? That Ekatvena Prithakvena, some people think since we are the part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they think we are also God. Isn't it? How can that be possible? To tell that it is not correct, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. One reason. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came for broadly two reasons. That is one internal three reason, external three reason. One reason out of that is, I know, to reclaim the soul, give us mercy. The bhajan, just now we saw such a wonderful bhajan, no? Mahatmas. He wanted to distribute that mercy freely. That's why he came, to reclaim the fallen soul. But what he wanted to teach is, see, if you are a part and parcel of Lord, you cannot become a God. Can we create the world? Can we annihilate the world? No. For that, what example is? There are so many philosophies. No, we saw Dvaita, Advaita, Vishishtavada. So many things are, so many philosophy, darshans are there. But Mahaprabhu who came and gave the Bheda Achintya Bheda Abheda. Bheda means there is difference. Abheda, there is no difference. There is difference between us and the Lord, but at the same time, Abheda, there is no difference between we and the Lord. So beautiful, easy to understand. How you see, you take this chain you take, no? This chain you take, this is gold, right? This is a golden chain. Gold has got some characteristics. Okay. You go to a big gold mine. The gold which is there in the mine also has the same characteristics. So you check this also and that also. Both will be qualitatively same. But mine has got quintals of infinite gold. This has got a limited gold. Same way, we are also from the same mine. We have the same qualities. But do we have in the same quantity? Definitely not. So we can't say, I'm part and parcel of God, so I'm everything I can. We can't even think of, day before I told you, in the 7th chapter, he creates the water, mountain, etc. We can't even make a castle in the seashore. We make a small castle with the sand. That also is not permanent. Water comes and takes. We can't create a well. What to talk about the ocean and all. So we are not equal, definitely. But some people who are avajananti mamuda manushintanam ashrita today's only. Today's, yes, 11th verse. Avajananti mamuda. Those who do not understand me, they deride me. So they say, me and Lord are one. Okay? Hare Krishna. Yes. So today we saw two things, very important things. What are they? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Chintya Achintya Bheda Bheda. We are equal to God, but at the same time, we are different from the God. We are equal in the sense in the quality. We are different in the sense in the quantity. Otherwise, we are the same. Okay. And three realization you saw. Brahman realization, Paramatma realization, and Bhagavan realization. Hare Krishna. Read Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.4. By me in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them.
Yeah, why he is saying that he is not in us? The Lord is residing in us. But why he is saying that he is not in us? In the sense, we all are subject to three modes. Sattva, Raja, Tamo. Day before also we saw he is Nirguna. He is beyond those. Why again unmanifested form? Unmanifested form. In this book we see, this book is the Lord. How can we see? But he is in unmanifested form. The thing is, somewhere paper has come. Where from paper has come? Then we take out the history. Where from the original tree came? From him only. So he is in the unmanifested form. And he says, all beings are in me, but I am not in them. This means, see, you all might be knowing that verse, na? Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. He is complete. And from him, all the emanations come. So you see, if we have a bank account, if we withdraw something from there, the balance will come down. But that Supreme Personality of Godhead, after creating the entire universe also, nothing comes down. He is Purnam. After giving us, and since because he has created everything from the Purnam, whatever we see is also full. Nothing less. We deplete. Still, it never vanishes. Unless and until the Lord Himself thinks to annihilate. Brahma's night comes, annihilates, everything sleeps, right? Till that time, everything is manifest. But the Lord is in the form of unmanifest, in the form. He has got a form. That is what is very, very important. We can't say he's nirguna. We can't say he doesn't have a form. He has a form, the Lord. Beautiful, one more analogy Srila Prabhupada tells. Archa Vigraha we have no in the temples. That Archa Vigraha is none other than the Lord. They are the authorized post boxes. See, so many boxes may be there on the streets. You put your letter in any box. Will it go to the destination? No. We have to put it in the authorized red color post box. Then it will go to the destination automatically. Same way, go to the Archa Vigraha. Archa Vigraha, you surrender to the Archa Vigraha. Automatically, he will take us to that destination. Srila Prabhupada's analogies are no amazing and easy to understand. Baladeva Chakravarti Thakur, Vishwanath Bhushan, all of them also have written, purports for all these Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, etc. But they are at a very, very high level. Will be very difficult for us to understand. But Srila Prabhupada has written because he wrote in this Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, he knows again, Pranalpayasha Yuga Sabya, Kalavasmin Yuge Janaga, Kalav, they keep fighting in the Kali Yuga. Manda, Sumanda Matayo. That is why he had explained everything so nicely, what we all can understand easily. Hare Krishna, yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.5. And yet, everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, still myself is the very source of creation.
He does not have to take care of this, all the activities, by himself. He's Swarat. He is independent. He has to only glance. Universes are created. He has to only, again, he doesn't even have to do action. See Maya Devi. That's it. She will arrange the material. If we want, I told him the mind thinks, soul sanctions. Sorry, Paramatma sanctions. Soul desires, mind makes plan, Paramatma sanctions. Then the material nature brings everything together for the desire to be fulfilled. Who gives the instruction to the material nature? The Lord. To Durga Devi gives. He wants so and so things. Give it to him. So she arranges everything. So that is why the Lord, what he is saying, I am source of everything. Everybody. Brahma creates at my instruction. Shiva annihilates at my instruction. Vishnu maintains at my instruction. Teni Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavi. I gave this knowledge how to create to Brahma into his heart. Janmadasya eton anvayat itaratas. Anvayat. Anvayat itaratas. Directly and indirectly. Abhijna Swarat. Abhijna means cognizant, knower. The Lord is directly and indirectly the knower of everything. See, there's a big project. We give it to an engineer. The engineer may not come to the site every day to get the work done. That engineer may have hundreds of projects like that, but he gets the work done through his people, engineers. But any problem anywhere comes, all these people will be contacting the chief engineer only. We are facing this problem. He knows even every nook and corner, and he will give, oh, this problem is coming, you change this like that, and the problem is solved. He doesn't have to come even practically to see for small problems. Even for sometimes big problems, he is all sitting there only. When that engineer who has been created by Brahma can sit in one place and solve the problem, that Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is absolute truth, can't he sit in his abode and clear all the problems? So, Swarat, that's what. Anyata itaratas abhijna swarat. Abhijna, he is the cognizant, he is the knower, and swarat, independent. As the Prime Minister gets everything done by appointed representative, the Lord also has got 33 crore devatas to do different things. There are, where yesterday, day before, somewhere I heard, there are devatas, like even for small things, very small thing, there will be one devata. The sun is transcending, and at the time of transcending, something happens, there will be another devata to take care of that. Like that is how there are 33 crores devatas. So the Lord doesn't have to come, but he is the source of creation of all. This faith has to come in everybody. That is the most secret knowledge he is going on telling again and again. He's telling, don't think it's a mystic opulence. It is true. Have that Shraddha. Shraddha Sadhu Sangha. If we have the Shraddha only, devotees will come to give us association. Till we don't have the Shraddha, no, you have the Shraddha, Lord will automatically send a spiritual master. Sadhu, Shastra, spiritual master, 3 years. Sadhu, Shastra. First, you believe the Shastras, read, then sadhus will come and explain you. They will give you association. Then the Lord will send the spiritual masters. Spiritual masters give us guarantee that they will take us. Okay, that we should not talk about spiritual masters because they take everybody's sin and they help people elevate. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. As the mighty wind blowing everywhere always rests in eternal space, know that in the same manner all beings rest in me. The whole cosmic order is under me. By my will, it is manifested again and again, and by my will, it is annihilated at the end.
Hare Krishna. See, as wind also is independent. Actually, wind is there in the space, but everywhere you feel the wind, isn't it? Same way, the Lord is there everywhere. Okay, and we have to, we have to feel His presence through His energy. So all the energy, everything what we utilize, what I speak, day before we saw, no, balam balavatam, if I'm talking, if I have the energy to talk, who is the energy? Balam balavatam chakam. Lord told, I am that energy. I am the prowess in that, the strong man. That tabular column, you remember, 7th chapter we saw. And with my will, universe is created, maintained, and annihilated at the end. Whenever I want, he will breathe in. Everything will be annihilated. He wants to create, he will breathe out. Everything is manifest again. Okay? Yeah. O Dhananjaya.
Oh Dhananjaya, at this all this work cannot bind me. I am ever detached, seated as though neutral.
That is what is a swarat. Okay. Janmadasya eto nanvayatitrada charteshva abhijna swarat. Cognizant, well-knower, and swarat. Independent. It's a beautiful verse. Yes, Mataji.
9.10 Mayadhyaksena prakriti suyate characharam hetunanena kaunteya jagat Vartate.
Yeah. Maya Adhyakshena. Yeah, under my control. I am the Adhyaksha. Who is the Adhyaksha? Adhyaksha is the superpower man, right? Who is the leader? So under my control, Maya Adhyakshena. Under my control, the entire Prakriti is working. Chara achara. It's not only the moving, the unmoving things are also under my control only. Chara achara. Hetunaneva kaunteya jagat viparivartate. Because you see, everyone has come here with some desire. For them to benefit, I have created this entire manifestation. So I keep manifesting, I keep annihilating. Why? I want you all to enjoy. Hetunaneva kaunteya. Read the meaning, Mataji.
Yes, this material nature is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, and it is producing all moving and unmoving beings. By its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again.
4 verses continuously he has told, I am the source of everything. I have created everything, I can annihilate everything. After that also, if we keep on, thinking that I am this body, automatically that comes. I know it is difficult to understand. If we get fever, we think we are the only one. Nobody surrenders. We can't, even I can't. Something comes immediately, we will run to doctor only. We will surrender to the Lord. We will believe the Lord. Whatever the Lord gives a prescription, to the T we will follow. But whatever is given in the Bhagavad Gita, not even one person will be able to follow. That's because we have not developed that faith. Why that faith is not developed? All of you know very, very well. Atakena prayuktoyam. You remember 3.26. Arjuna asked, Oh Krishna, I don't want to commit any sin, but still something is baladivan yojitaha. Something pushes me to do the sin. So like that, something pushes us to trust the doctor, not the law. That is why, because how many yonis we have taken, what are all the karma we are carrying in us, we don't know. So that will react, isn't it? Till the time we surrender. That's why today's verses started with the, oh, not today's verse, the bhajan what we did in the beginning. Full and full, it was talking about the Sharanagati. Beautiful bhajan that was. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. So the material nature working under my direction is again and again saying
Yes,
he has created the material nature. Yes, Mataji.
yes. 9.11. Avajnananti mudha manusham manushim tanum ashritam param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature and my supreme dominion over all that be.
That's it. See, correct, no? When Lord Krishna came as Krishna Avatari, Krishna is not Avatar. He came as Krishna only. How many people believed in that he is Krishna? Many did not believe. Even the gopis, they did not believe that he is Lord. For them, he was their friend. But they were dependent, surrendered on him. Surrendered at the lotus feet of Krishna for everything. They saw, what is that? Trinavrta, that word. Wind. Trinavrta, no. Yes, Trinavrta. The demon, wind demon. When they saw everything, they immediately came to Krishna. Similarly, Govardhana, that Indra sent the celestial trainer, Sambatka, this one, cloud. Then they all ran to Krishna. For them, Krishna is not God. But for them, they know Krishna solves our problem. He's our best friend. Like that only. But that other one, who is that? Kamsa and all the demons, they did not believe that he has got supernatural power. They never even thought he is not a normal human being. They try to kill him only. So that is what, even if Lord comes in front of us, we won't believe he is the Lord. That small story, remember, no? Boat sinks. Boat sings. Everybody comes, the parachute comes, come. He says, no, Lord will come. Then rescue boat came, everybody came. The last airplane came, announcing this last rescue team is coming, come hold our hand. He said, no, my Lord will come. And he didn't go. He waited for the Lord, drowned. He went to Lord's abode. He fought with the Lord. I was waiting with a lot of faith in you. You didn't come to save me. He said, I came here as a first rescuer. 4 times, 5 times I came to rescue you. You did not understand me. You didn't come to me. So Lord will not come and stand and say, I am the Lord. See, like if you tell no, if you see, that is another reason Mahaprabhu came in the form of a devotee. If Mahaprabhu again comes in the form of a God and give this Kali Yuga Dharma, Nama Sankirtan, easiest, cheapest, easiest mantra for elevation, moksha, liberation. If he had come as a Lord and given, nobody would have believed him. So he came as a devotee, Lord's devotee. And he distributed this mercy. And today, which part of the country the law, Sankirtan Yajna is not going on, you tell me? Everywhere, day and night, Sankirtan Yajna people do. In big ISKCON, we have that Shravanotsavam. Continuously from morning 9 o'clock to night 9 o'clock, there will be only Sankirtan, Shravanotsavam. Yes.
Yes, 9.12. Moghasa mogha karmano mogha jnana vichetasa rakshasim asurim chaiva prakritim mohinim shrita. Those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demonic or atheistic views. In that deluded condition, their hopes of liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge are all defeated.
Very nice. Hare Krishna. So what is given is Movaga Jnana, Jnanis. Jnanis are deluded in their knowledge only. They know the Vedas, everything they have. I mean, there is a verb, proverb, no? They have Gol ke sapili avnone. That means what? They have drunk the Vedas. They know everything. That's what happened in West Bengal. When before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born, he took Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In West Bengal, people were all dhyanis. They used to have a lot of debates. Everyone, even the Keshav Bharati and so many people, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeated them when he came. All these people were thinking, they are the super most intelligent people. But they did not believe in the Lord. That means they did not believe in devotion. Bhakti thai nahi unme. So what happened? Advaita Acharya thought, how will these people all go back? If they are like this, they can't go back. So he called, he shouted for the Lord. And that sound went crossing all 6 lokas. Above that Vaikunta, above that Goloka. Then Krishna only came as a Lord Chaitanya. So they, Jnanis, Karmis, one who believe, Karmis, who are Karmis? Who are in Rajoguna. Who are in Rajogunas are Karmis. Who are in Sattva Gunas, they worship Devatas and they are Jnanis. Mogha Jnana Vichetasaha. Rakshasim Asurim. Yesterday also I told 2 types of people are there. Daivi people, Asuri people. Daivi people will have all the good qualities. Asuri people will have Dambam, Darpam, Abhimanam like that. Abhayam, Sattvam, Samshuddhir, Jnanam, Yogam, Vyavasthitam, Atma Vinigraham, all these things who will have Devatas. That is Rakshasim, Asurim, Chaiva, Prakritim, Mohinim, Ashitaha. So all these people, what do? They attract demonic people. Who are they? Aesthetic people. They don't believe in the Lord. So Krishna is telling here, all these people who do not believe in devotion, what will happen? They will be defeated. Their knowledge will always be defeated. One small little bhakta is sufficient to defeat a person who knows everything in Vedas. So many examples are there. No, we can't quote examples over here because I want to go to 2-3 stories also. Yes.
Yes. Those who are, 9.13. Mahatmanas tu mam partha devim prakritim ashrita bhajanti ananya manaso Jnatva bhutadim avyayam. O son of Pritha, those who are not deluded, the great souls, are under the protection of the divine nature. They are fully engaged in devotional service because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible.
Very good, Haribol. So again, there are two types of people here talking about. One who believes in the Lord and who are devotees. Another one, non-devotees. So previous verse we saw Moga Jnana, Moga. Moga is bewildered. And these people, devotees, they are not bewildered. For them, they know very well. What they know, that Supreme Personality of Godhead is there. He is the original. He is Abhyakta Rupame. He is there. He is inexhaustible. So they know, and also they know important word, Goptrutve Varanam Tata Rakshishveve Rikvishvaso. The Lord will protect me under any circumstance. Today only I think one more verse will come today, that I will protect you under any circumstance. Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Yejana Paryupasate Tesham Yuktanam Yogakshemam Mahamyaham. I will protect you. Krishna is telling in today's verse. We will see that. So we should have that faith. So one who has the faith, they will be devotees. One who does not have the faith, they will be deluded. They will be in moga, all the time deluded. So here, who is there? Madhavendra. Who is Madhavendra Puri? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Dada Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Guru is Ishwarapuri. Ishwarapuri's Guru is Madhavendra Puri. They all are realized souls. They never used to, bother about anything, eating, all these things. They were not in bodily concept only. They never used to sit under same tree for even more than 4 days because they think it will attach. So they will keep roaming around. They all are known as, actually, the sannyasis who keep roaming around and spreading the knowledge of Krishna, they all are known as Parivrajaka Acharya. Their job is to keep on roaming around and spread the message. In ISKCON, so many are there like that. So many Srila Prabhupada's disciples are there like that. Every nook and corner they go and spread the, message of Srila Prabhupada. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Nama Sankirtan. Okay, so Madhavendra Puri was one day sitting under this one tree. Krishna knew for a long time he has not eaten anything. So Krishna came, gave a pot of milk to him and told, oh, sannyasi, you see there, some ladies are standing there, no? Probably they saw you for so many days, they have been seeing you. You are starving like anything. So they had pity on you. They sent the milk through me. He gave and went. And, same night, he came, the same boy. Then Madhavendra Puri understood that Krishna, he himself came. So that means he is in devotion. So those who are in devotion, he will take care of. Eating and all, we don't have to worry. We say, no, there's a proverb. Those who has kept the tree, he will water the tree also. So if he had given us this life, he will take. Only thing is, we think we can take care. We will take care of it. We will do everything. Once we surrender, he will take. Once we keep one step towards him, then he will take 99 steps towards us. At one step, that is what makes all the difference. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.14. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrita namasyantascha mam bhaktya nitya yukta upasate. Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion.
Haribol. Satatam, continuously. Kirtanam, to speak the glories of the Lord. What will devotees do? Devotees don't have any other work. Devotees will keep on glorifying the Lord all the time. Kirtanam, Kirtanam, Kirtanam. Right? Yatandascha dridhavrataha. With firm determination. If you all remember, I told that process, Nishta. Shraddha, Sahasanga, Bhajana, Kriya, Anantanivarti. Then Nishta, Vichi, Asakti, all comes. So Nishta, with firm determination, we believe in the Lord. How? If we believe means we have to surrender. Surrender means bend down. Oh Krishna, I have this, you take care of it. Bow down. So this is the most secret. Lord is saying, bow down to me. You don't worry, I am there to take care of you. Again and again, 5 times he had told today's verse only. Trust me, surrender to me. Okay. These great souls, who are they? Devotees. Perpetually worship me. They always, satatam, they worship me. Nitya yukta upasate. Every day, every time, they keep on doing aradhana to me. Upasana, doing aradhana to me. Okay, so the Lord says, devotees know no other thing. In tomorrow's also we will see. Machitta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nitya tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Singing the Lord's glory, they forget themselves only. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha ramjana. They speaking of my glory, they lose themselves only. All these, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associates, Shad Goswamis, they all used to fall down there only. They used to sing and immediately fall down there only. They used to think about Mahaprabhu, they straight, it's like a danda, it falls down. No, if you leave it, it will fall down. Tapak, like that only they used to fall down. Thinking of the auspiciousness of Mahaprabhu. They're reciting the glories of Mahaprabhu. They are the devotees. So see the devotees' characteristics, non-devotees' characteristics. They are always deluded. Mogasha, Moga Karmano, Moga Jnana. They all are bewildered all the time, thinking without taking surrender, thinking that unmanifest, where is Lord, where is Lord, no Lord at all. There is only, they think I am equal to the Lord, like that they are thinking. But I'm waiting for one verse, then I'll start the story. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Asya
Pitaham
jagato.
asya jagato mata mata dhata pitamaha Vedyam pavitram omkarar samayajur evacha. I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support, and the grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier, and the syllable Om. I am also the RK, the Sama, and the
Rigveda.
Yajur,
Sama
Rig
and
Veda.
Yajurvedas.
Yes,
Okay. Say
and
tomorrow
the
also
Yajur
same verse
Vedas.
will come. Tomorrow also the Lord is going to say, out of all Vedas, I am the Sama Veda. Like that he is going to tell. He is the mother, he is the father, eternal. Grandshare is Tata, grandfather. So our fathers, if you see eternal father, we can say our eternal Brahma. If he is our eternal father, we can call the Lord as our eternal grandfather, because Brahma is Lord's son. Is it not? Okay. Yes. Both you read together, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the refuge, and the most dear friend. I am the creation and the annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place and the eternal seed. O Arjuna, I control heat, the rain, and the drought. I am immortality and I am also death personified. Both being and non being are in me.
So I'm the death personified. He's the Kala, right? Bhagavad Gita deals with the 5 subjects, no? Ishvara, Jiva, Prakriti, that is a material nature, Karma, Kala. So he is a death personified. But he doesn't do it by himself. He has appointed an agent, another Devata, Yamadevata. He has appointed. So he only knows the beginning and the end. And resting place. Just now we saw now in which verse I don't remember, that as the wind is resting in the space, we feel it. Same way here also, 6th verse. Yatakasha stito nityam. As the wind is resting in the space, the Lord is resting in his universe. But at the same time, everything is acting at his instruction through the appointed agents. Yeah. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. They take birth on the planet of Indra, where they enjoy godly delights.
Okay. See, what he is saying, you may, yesterday, Tesham Tundagatam Papam Janana Sukriti Arjuna Visana, the Lord said, 7th chapter. Yeah, 7th chapter, the Lord said, there are people who worship the Devatas for instant sense gratification. So, like that, yes, Devatas are there, 33 crore. You worship them because they give you the sunlight, they give you the coolness, they give you the rain, they give you electricity, everything they give. You, no problem. But what the Lord is saying, in the next verse, he will say, indirectly you worship me only. Whomsoever you worship, indirectly you worship me. So, read it, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.21. When they have thus enjoyed heavenly sense pleasures, they return to this mortal planet again. Thus, through the Vedic principles, they achieve only flickering happiness.
This we already saw. Tetam Gatva Swargalokam Vishalam. After going to these planets, because in 9.25, I'll show you, then it will be easier for you to understand. Where is 9.25? 25, it's not given here. Okay, 9.25 says, Yanti Deva Vrata Devan Pritrinyati Pitrivritaha. One who worships the Devatas, they will go to Devaloka. One who worships the Bhuta Pishachas, they will go to the lower planetary system. Like that, who worships, whoever has got faith in whom, there only they will go. What will happen? That is only flickering happiness. For some time they will be there. Once their punya karma gets exhausted, they have to come back to this Bhurloka. They have to again come back. This is what you say.
9.22. Ananyascintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham.
I told no, he protects. Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. I give you protection. What do you say? Ananyas Chintayantomam. Those who do not have no other worry other than thinking of me. Yejana Paryupasate. One who only thinks of me. Na Anya Chinta. Anya Vilashita Shunyam Jnanam Karmam Adi Anavritam. Waste Jnana Karma and all. Anya Bilashita Shunyam. No other desire. What is the only desire? Anukulya Krishna Anushilanam. Pratikulya Varjanam. What is against Krishna unfavorable? Don't do it. What is Anukulam favorable? Do it. That is only one desire one should get. Whatever is good for my Lord, I will do. You remember for a few days I have been telling that some siddhika haritoshanam. So whatever we do for the pleasure of the Lord, that desire only should be there. No other desire. If it is like that, to that devotee, what I will do? I will give him whatever he does not have. I will protect whatever he has. Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. That LIC used to give this advertisement here, and we protect what you have. Can they protect? Definitely not. If the Lord wants, Rake Krishna Mareke, Mare Krishna Rakeke. If the Krishna wants to kill anybody, no one can protect. If Krishna wants to protect somebody, no one can kill them. Not possible. What insurance people will say. Okay, yeah. Very nice verse.
9.23. Yepya anya devata bhakta yajante shraddhayanvitah tepi mam eva kaunteya yajanti avidhi purvakam. Whatever a man may sacrifice to other gods, O son of Kunti, is really meant for me alone, but it is offered without true understanding.
You just now told 9.25 is there below. Whomsoever we worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead only, but in a wrong manner. Right? Everything is offered to me, but without true understanding. See, so many devatas are there. We worship, but all these devatas give it to him only. So directly, why don't we directly, lot of commission have to give, no? Directly, if we don't look for a house for rent, we have to give a lot of commission. So why? Directly we can look for the owner and go and approach him. We don't have to give commission. Supreme Personality of God, directly we can approach. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.25. Yanti deva vrata devam Pitrunyanti pitravrataha bhutani yanti bhutejna yanti madhyajinopimam. Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings. Those who worship ancestors go to the ancestors, and those who worship me will live with me.
Yeah, because Antakale Chamameva, whom we think about at the last minute, there only we will go. No, Yam Vyapi Smarana Bhavam. Whatever we remember when the soul leaves our body, we will become the same. So, if we have faith in Devata, we will be worshipping the Devata. So, at the time of soul leaving the body, we may be thinking about the Devata only. Is it not? So, whomsoever we have faith, we will go there.
Yes. 9.26. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti upahritam asnami Prayatatmanaha. If one offers me with love and devotion a fruit, flower, or water, I will accept it.
See, Lord does not want anything. He wants only a leaf, one tulasi, little water. That too, he is not thirsty. To show him that we care for him. We don't have to, but it's showing our gratitude. Oh Lord, you care so much for us. Can't we give only this much? That's why he's saying, you give me patram, one pushpam, one palam, one toyam, water, little. See, that's what I wanted to. All of you may be knowing about the other two stories. That is Vidurani, you know Vidur's wife. What did she give, Lord? What did Vidurani give, Lord?
Banana peel.
Vidura's wife. Banana peel. Excellent. Hari Hari Bol. She gave banana peel. Lord ate it very happily. What did Shabari give? Shabari.
Bear Mataji, whatever
Mm.
she had eaten.
Yes, the bear after testing. Jungly bear. Forest bear. Ram ate very happily. So I just wanted to tell a small story. Being tomorrow is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance day. So I wanted to talk about one of his Goswamis, Sanatan Goswami. Sanatan Goswami, Rupa Goswami, they all are the ones to give us this Vrindavan, excavating all the deities. We did not Goswami's dream and told, I am here, excavate me, take me out, like that he told. So every 6 Shad Goswamis are there. All 6 Goswamis have different temple for themselves. How? Themselves means not to worship them. They never say. Real devotee will never say, I am the Lord. But they, their devotees are kept there. Their devotees are like their children, like that. See, once what happened, the Sanatan Goswami, he was living in Mathura, no, Vrindavan, no. For Madhukari, he used to go to Mathura. Madhukari means for Bhiksha. Whatever they get in Bhiksha, only they will eat. So many times he observed. One lady, there, what she used to do many times Sanatan Goswami saw. She will be brushing with the bark on a tree. And from other hand, she will be mixing the kheer or food, whatever she is making. Then after that, with that only she'll come, oh, Madan, Sadan, come and eat. Like that she would say. Sadan will come running. Where from Madan will come running, Madan is that Gopal deity. He will come from the deity. When Prabhu asked, no, how does Lord eat, Mataji? I don't know whether he is there now or not. So the Madan used to get on devotee only. He used to come walking and both of them used to eat. That Sanatan Goswami watched for a long time. These two used to fight with both of them, play everything. Then Madan will go back. Whenever he wants to go back, he will become a deity and he will go. It was happening for a long time. Then one day, Sanatan Goswami told that lady, hey, why are you doing like this? Please have at least bath and then you cook. You are offering to Madan and you are doing all these things. So she said, I am so old, I can't do all these things. But still, Sanatan Goswami told he will do. And she started doing. But you know what will happen? By the time she takes bath, she is half tired. She won't cook. Madan and Sadan came to Sanatan Goswami and scolded him. We were getting our food on time. You spoiled that also. And why did you do this? So then he told to that lady, okay, however you want to give, you give. And lady became very bold. So one day Madan told Sanatan Goswami, why don't you take me? Sanatan Goswami said, I myself do not get anything. I go for Madhukari. Where will you eat Madhukari? You need a lot of prasadam, nice prasadam. I can't cook for you. So, but he said, no, I will not say anything. You please take me. So he, take me. He said, you carry me. Who? Madan. Sanatan Goswami, sorry, walk and come. He said, I am the Lord, I cannot walk. I am deity, how can I walk? He said, if you can talk, you can also walk. See, this is a relationship they had with the Lord. Same happened in Sakshi Gopals. Sakshi Gopals also, that Brahman came and told Krishna, you come for evidence that the Brahmana told that he will get his daughter married to me. Finally, he turns words. So the Brahman comes all the way to see the Gopalji. He told, Gopalji, in front of you only he promised his daughter he will marry. Come to the village to give evidence. He said, no, how can I come? I am the deity. He said, see, you are talking. You are telling you can't come. If you can talk, you can walk also. Come walk. Like that he takes. So Sakshi Gopal temple is there near Puri. Krishna is really so merciful. So like that, Sanatan Goswami finally, okay, Lord, there was no other go. Sanatan Goswami refused to carry him. Lord came by walk. 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5 days. Somehow this Sanatan Goswami used to get what, what is that, atta. Usko aise hi coal mein he used to do something and give. And Madan could not eat for a long time. Madan told Sanatan Goswami, please, at least you put some salt and give something you give. I am not able to eat this at all. He said, see, that is the reason I told you I will not bring you. If you want, you make your own arrangement. Sanatan Goswami said. Lord made his own arrangement. There was one ship stranded in one place. He didn't know how to come. And that merchant was very, very afraid. He came to Sanatan Goswami to tell, you please ask your God to help me. So Madan Gopal helped him. So with that gratitude, that merchant, he constructed a big building. He arranged for daily prasadam. He arranged for a pujari, everything. The Lord. After that, Sanatan Goswami told, I don't want all this, Baba. You only enjoy. If I start enjoying these things, what will happen to my, I am supposed to be here. Mahaprabhu told me to spread the Harinam Sangeet. I can't do. You only enjoy your food. He told, and Sanatan Goswami went. So the Lord does not want anything. He can make arrangement for himself. But it is, we have to show that our love to the Lord, that we love him. So nice pastimes are there in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavatam. So amazing. So all of you, if possible, keep at least till 12 o'clock fasting. It is all to show the Lord that, I can also control my senses. Can't we do this much? Like that you think you will be able to do. Yes, Mataji. This I will read, Mataji.
Okay, ma'am.
Beautiful verse. This is the formula for everybody's life. You see, yet karoshi, whatever you do. See, we do so many things, right? So whatever you do, yet asnashi, whatever you eat. Yet juhosi and dadasi, whatever you offer or give away. What is it? Charity. See, we all are here to do karma. So whatever karma you do, whatever activity you do, what actually life means what? Yajna, dana, tapa. Any activity we do, it is revolved only three. Whatever we do is a sacrifice, I have already told you. Yajna, tapa, austerity. We go to office early in the morning. People in Mumbai, you see, they don't know how they get into the train, how they come out. That much austerity they do. Leave in the morning at 6 o'clock home, they come home at 10 o'clock in the night. How much austerity they are doing. So, yajna, dana, tapa, some charity also we give. So everybody is doing some activity or the other. What is the Lord saying? Nothing. When you do these things, you think that you are doing. Yes, tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurusa mad arpana. You are surrendering all those things to me. Like that you think and do. That's all. That's all is bhakti. You do whatever you want. You do whatever yajna, dana, tapa, austerity, everything you do. But whenever you do, think that you are doing it as an offering to me. So remember this word, learn it, make it to your. In Christianity, they say, no, it's a Bible, like formula for life. So make this verse formula for your life. Whatever you do after doing everything, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, you say, that's all. Even before eating, you forget to tell the Prasada Mantram. It's okay, forget. After eating, you say Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. He is happy with that also. Because many times we may not remember to tell the Mahaprasade Govinde. Okay? So simple, no? Bhakti is very, very simple. This is again a very important verse. People think Lord is partial. He says, no, samogam sarva bhuteshu. Every living entity, I am equal. Name dvesha astina priyaha. Nobody is dear, nobody is enemy to me. Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya. How much you worship me, how much you are devoted to me. Maite teshu chapyagam. That much I am also devoted to you. So if you still what he says, if you are 10% devoted to me, I am 90% devoted to you. That's what he will say. So what he is saying, one who performs anything, renders service like this, he is my dear friend. Samogam sarva bhuteshu name dvesho asti na priyaha. Remember this. Anybody tell Lord is partial, you tell them this. What is the formula? E bhajanti tu mam bhaktya. How much you study, that much mark you will get. How much you work, that much salary you get. How much you sleep, that much you will be free. How much you eat, that much strength you will get. Equally proportionate. So how much we surrender, that much Lord also will show reciprocation. Yes. Yes, Mataji, read.
Yes, Mataji. 9.30. Apichet Sudar Acharo Bhajan
Durachar.
Suduracharo Bhajate Mam Ananya Bhag Sadhur Eva Sa Mantavya Samyag Vyavastito Hi Sa. Even if one commits the most abominable actions, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated.
Yeah. So that means, what is it? Understand very well. It is talking about the devotees. Very nice verse. Sometimes what happens, devotees also do some mistake. Right? Many times it happens. We all are human beings. We have the free will. We will fall down. But we don't have to worry about that at all. Thinking, oh, he was such a big devotee. What he has done, nothing to worry. The Lord says, even if they do any abominable acts, if he is engaged in devotional service, I will consider him saintly only. Because I know he is a devotee. Like, Jagai Madai, such a fallen soul. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at least wanted to, kill them. But Nityananda Prabhu, no, Mahaprabhu, don't do that. You have taken this avatar to give mercy to everybody. If you can give them, what is that, liberation, others will have faith in you and follow your path. So it is better. So they gave liberation to Jagai Madai also. Such a fallen soul. So Lord says, if somebody is my devotee and for any reason they commit any abominable act, and I will immediately fix them back in devotion. That is my duty. Nobody else has to worry about it. Two verses together will come. So devotees, it doesn't mean that, oh, Lord will help me. Let me do some mistake. No. Unknowingly, if we do something, then Lord will come. Okay. Yeah. Chipram bhavati.
क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शाश्वत chantim निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि name bhakta pranashyati. He quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes.
This here also story is there. We'll finish and come back. Lord is telling Arjuna, once, anybody has surrendered to me, immediately I will go to rescue them. Like Prahlad Maharaj. Hiranyakashipu was about to kill him. But he wanted to rescue Prahlad Maharaj. So he came out of the pillar. So I am ready to do anything for my devotee. Oh Arjuna, declare to the entire world that Name Bhakta Pranashyati. My devotee will never perish. Nashta Nashyati. My devotee will always be my devotee only. I will never let them perish. Here also that Bhishma Pitama story is also there. Okay. Anyway, Prahlad Maharaj story, all know, no. He did not want Prahlad Maharaj to let him down in front of Hiranyakashipu. So he was ready to come out of the pillar. Yeah.
9.32 Mam hi partha vyapar shritya yepi syuh papayo naya shriyo striyo vaishyas tatha shudras tepi yanti param gatim. O son of Pratha, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, merchants, as well as Shudras, workers, can approach the supreme destination.
Okay. So, Mangi Partha Vyapashritya. Even if they are fallen in lower birth, even if they are Vaishya, even if they are Shudra, don't worry. They will come to me. Why? Because if they surrender to me, If they surrender to me, I don't see whether they are Kshatriya, Shudra, Brahmana. Why, I'm saying, oh, Mataji, why woman and all are given? You don't have to think. What is the meaning of here is, in fact, except the Lord, everybody else is woman. There is again a Mirabai story. Jagannath Das, Baba, he was, he was meditating. Mirabai wanted to go and see him. He told the servant, go and tell your master that I have come to meet. He said, no, my master will not see any lady. Then she said, oh, your master does not know that except the Lord, all others are ladies. Then he understood. This is not a normal person. Then he knew also this Mirabai. He came out and received her. So here everybody is woman except the Lord. That's okay. But what is said here is, see, why Shudra or Vaishya means they are in the lower level of mode. Tamoguna, Rajoguna, then Sattva-guna. So the Lord gives an opportunity to transcend. Those who are in Tamoguna are given a chance to come to Rajoguna. That means from Vaishya and Shudra, they can come to Kshatriya level. Passion is Kshatriya. From Kshatriya level, he gives an opportunity to come to the Brahmana level. That is Brahmanas are in Sattva-guna. From there also, he gives a chance to elevate to the next level, Vishuddha Sattva. So the Lord is saying, I don't bother about which birth they are in. They all get a chance to transcend them, to come to my destination. So for coming to my destination, there is no need for which kula, which dharmashrama, which varnashrama dharma you belong to. Last verse. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 9.34. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasya yuktevam atmana matparayanaha. Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Offer obeisances and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me.
This is the formula, most secret. Most secret knowledge, always engage in my worship, always offer obeisances to me. If you are like that, you will come to me. So the most secret, so how to remember him? As I told, the hands are attached. Your mind is attached to him. Keep on doing your worldly activities. No problem. Mind has to all the time keep on chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's all. So first, what is the why? Palastruti we saw first. Why this knowledge is super topmost knowledge. Then what is this knowledge? Satatam kirtayantamam. Always remember me. Always worship me. Always be a devotee. Even if you worship devatas, they are going to come to me only. So we have to believe that. That's it. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chaturunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manubhishram Sthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakada Mahyam Tadatmi Sadantikam Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Tapatakamelam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrijatam. I went to the opening prayer again. Actually, my Bhakti Vaibhav class has started today. So Vanchakalpata Rupasya Kripa Sindhu Bhaya Vacha Patitana